everybody, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have brought you another tutorial video where I will be showing you how you can create an OnlyFans account. But before we start with our video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yeah, we'll simply just dive into our video now. So create your OnlyFans account. What you will have to do is simply just go to your phone browser, simply type in onlyfans.com, and then this particular interface will pop up. Simply tap on the sign up for OnlyFans, or if you want to connect your Twitter with this account, simply tap in sign in with Twitter. If you just want to create your account with the Google, sign in with the Google, tap in that and choose your email address and create account with that information. Or you can simply tap in sign up, add in your name, add in your email address. Once you're done with your email, simply type in the password, and once you're done with your password over there, simply tap on this option called sign up over here, and then you will see this is please verify your email address. So what you will do is you will simply just go back to your inbox, fresh ones, and check this OnlyFans confirmation email. Simply tap on it, and here simply tap on this link, and here you can simply get logged into your OnlyFans with an account over here. So yeah, this is how you can simply create an account in your OnlyFans, and I hope this video was helpful to you guys. And yeah, thank you so much for watching our video till the end. I'll see you guys next time.